Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to collect NFT addresses from Trust Wallet. Firstly, launch the Trust Wallet app on your phone, then make sure your app is updated to the latest version. On the bottom menu, tap the NFTs tab, and this is where all the NFTs supported by Trust Wallet like Ethereum ERC 721, BNB Smart Chain, BEP, and Polygon, etc. will appear. NFTs are stored on blockchains like Ethereum and BNB Chain. To receive an NFT, you need the correct wallet address for the network where the NFT is minted. For example, Ethereum NFT, use your Ethereum address which starts with 0x. From the home screen, tap the token or network you want to receive the NFT on, then tap Receive. Copy the wallet address shown, and this is the address you'll share to receive NFTs on that blockchain. Now you can send the copied address to the sender or paste it into the NFT marketplace when withdrawing, so double check you're using the right network address for the NFT. Sending to the wrong one could make the NFT unrecoverable. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.